Welcome to Pennsylvania Bike Rides. Today's ride in Montgomery County runs between Lower Perkiomen Valley Park to just past Phoenixville, a distance of about 4 miles. We'll ride the Perkiomen Trail as it runs beside the Perkiomen Creek, and then pick up the Schuylkill River Trail as it runs beside the Schuylkill River and the remnants of the Schuylkill Canal. We'll get some great river views, have a chance to see a restored 19th century canal lock, and pedal beside the calm waters of the Oaks Reach. What's a reach? We'll get to that. Drop the device. Get away from that keyboard. Step outside into Shred World. We parked at the lot on New Mill Road near Egypt Road. There's additional parking further down New Mill Road near the park office, restrooms, and pavilions. We headed towards the Perkiomen Trail and turned right. There are park restrooms at this pavilion on the right. The Perkiomen Creek will be on your left. The Perkiomen Trail ends where it meets the Schuylkill River Trail at this bridge. Right under the bridge toward Port Providence. This paved section of the Schuylkill River Trail runs beside some fences, under railroad bridges, and over creeks. At one of the turns, you can see where the Perkiomen Creek joins the Schuylkill River. A short ride under some power lines brings you to the Port Providence Trailhead. This trailhead features restrooms, plenty of parking, and a dog park. Turn left after Port Providence to ride the towpath. This gravel section of trail runs beside the Schuylkill Canal. You'll see kayakers, canoers, and fishermen sharing the canal with geese, ducks, and turtles. Watch out for baby ducks on the towpath. This bridge on the right heads over to Fitzwater Station, which is a watering hole and a place to rent canoes and kayaks. On a canal, this calm stretch of water between two locks was called a reach. This canal was originally called Oaks Reach, in honor of Thomas Oaks, the canal's designer. At this spot, you can see both the Schuylkill River and the canal at the same time. At this bridge, the trail continues left up to Route 29. We rode under the bridge so that we could continue on the road beside the canal up to Lock 60. This paved section is not a trail. It's a road used by cars, bikers, and pedestrians. But the traffic on this section was light, slow, and courteous. We felt completely safe riding this section. At the end, you'll find the lock keeper's house and the restored lock. And that's the conclusion of this ride. This scenic trail is suitable for riders of all ages and abilities. And if you need a break, the center of Phoenixville is nearby. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give us a like by hitting the thumbs up button below this panel. And while you're there, why not subscribe?